Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute the microphone on the headphones Logitech G PRO X2. So right now we have a microphone and as you can see when I speak there is no waves, so it means that my microphone is mute, and also we can see it by this red color here. So at the left ear cup we have this special button to mute and unmute. To unmute it right now, just press on it, and now you can see that there is this wave, so it means that it's on mute. And to mute it, just press on it again, and if you see this red color, it means that it's muted. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.